So hi everyone. So today we are going to solve the Leetcode question, which is 20th question, valid parenthesis. So in this question, we have given a particular string. In that string, we have to check that given string is valid or not. How we have to check? If you see here, question is given and some points is given. If that points are true, then we can say that that string is valid parenthesis. Okay, let's see. First one is open bracket must be closed by the same type of bracket. Means like if you see here, this is opening bracket and this is closing bracket. If input string is like this, then our output must be true. Okay. If you see second example also opening bracket, then same type of closing bracket. Opening bracket, which is a square bracket, then same closing bracket, curly braces, opening curly braces, and then closing curly braces. So in that case also we have to return true. But I say what second rule says, open bracket must be closed in the correct order. See here, correct order, opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing. But if you see here, third example, in that here opening bracket is there, but closing bracket is different. So in that case we have to return as a false. If you see fourth example, opening bracket, then another opening bracket, and then closing bracket related to last opening bracket, and after that closing bracket. So in that case also we have to return output as a true. Okay. And what our third rule say, every close bracket that has a corresponding open bracket of the same type, means whichever opening bracket is there, same type of a corresponding bracket can close that one. Okay. So if you see here, opening bracket is there, and then after closing, sorry, this is also opening bracket, but this is closing. This is closing before this one closes. So here in that case, we have to return as a false. Okay. So so to solve this problem, we are gonna use to stack. Okay. Stack. In stack, what will take as a character? St. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll use the for each loop in that char c to iterate over the string. What is string name? Yes. Okay, in that we'll write if condition whenever we found that braces, opening brace, if c is equals to, we have to check with each three type of brackets are there now, normal, square bracket, and curly. So okay, or c is equals to square bracket, or c is equals to curly. Okay, if this type of bracket is there, then what we have to do, we have to push that into stack. Okay, we are pushing this c into stack. Otherwise, I'll say whenever we count c is equals to closing bracket related to same one, this one, or c is equals to this one, or c is equals to curly. So in that case, our else it will execute. In that, first we'll check if our stack is empty or not. If our stack is empty, there itself will return that one as a false. Why false? Okay, just one. Okay, why false? Because actually in stack nothing is there. So stack is empty because only one bracket is there. So that's why we have to write this paste condition. Otherwise, we'll check opening bracket with same, like what our third rule says. Every close bracket has a corresponding open bracket for the same type. So this third condition we'll check here. So before that one, we'll store that our top of the element into one variable, which we call as a top. Okay. Character top is equal to, how will store st dot top. Okay. So in top, we'll get our topmost element from a stack. After that, we'll check with condition. C is equals to closing bracket and top is equals to opening brackets, or we have to check all the, and C is equals to closing square closing bracket and top is equals to opening. Okay. After that, or the last condition we have to write C is equals to closing curly braces and then top is equals to opening curly braces. If this condition is true, then what we have to do? We have to pop the element that related braces from a stack. Okay, so what will do? Pop that one. Otherwise, if it is not matching, then directly there itself, what will do? Will return false because it is not matching actually. Otherwise, at the end of our for each loop, will return stack st dot empty. If our stack is empty, then it will return true. Otherwise, if stack is full, then it will return false. If we check, see, if you check, almost all got all test cases. And if you submit, just it is taking a little bit time. Here we got our output. So I hope you liked the video and you got the and you cleared the concept whatever you want. So thank you for watching this video for today. Bye.